Fujitsu Aero's Alpha F-51F, a stylish comeback with power and performance. Fujitsu, a name once synonymous with Japanese tech innovation, is making waves again in the smartphone industry. Under the Fujitsu Connected Technologies Limited (FCNT) brand, a Lenovo subsidiary, the company has just unveiled its latest flagship for the Japanese market, the Fujitsu Aero's Alpha F-51F. Scheduled for release later this summer via NTT Docomo, this upper mid-range smartphone blends modern hardware with features that tech enthusiasts will appreciate. A display designed to impress. The Aero's Alpha F-51F boasts a 6.4-inch FHD Plus OLED display that refreshes at a smooth 144 Hz, making it a treat for gamers and multimedia consumers alike. The screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details, ideal for everything from watching 4K videos to browsing the web. With its sleek bezels and ergonomic design, the phone not only feels premium but also looks stylish in both black and white color options. Performance at its core. Under the hood, the Aero's Alpha F-51F is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8350 chipset, promising a balance between high performance and power efficiency. It comes in a single memory configuration of 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, which is more than generous for multitasking, media storage, and gaming. For those who need even more space, the inclusion of a microSD card slot is a welcome addition. Triple 50MP camera system. One of the most impressive features is the phone's triple 50MP camera setup. The main sensor is the LYT700C, sized at 1/1.56 inch, which ensures excellent light capture and detailed photography. It's complemented by a 50MP ultra-wide camera for expansive shots and a 50MP front-facing camera that should satisfy selfie lovers and video callers with crisp, high-resolution images. Software and battery. Running on the latest Android 15, the device ensures access to the newest features and security enhancements. Keeping everything powered is a 5000 mAh battery that supports 90W fast charging, making it ideal for users on the go. Additionally, the USB Type-C port supports DisplayPort 1.4 output, which means you can connect it to external displays for productivity or entertainment purposes. Durability and build. The Aero's Alpha F-51F doesn't compromise on durability. With IP68/69 certification, it offers robust protection against dust, water, and even high-pressure streams, perfect for outdoor use or unpredictable weather. Expected pricing and availability. Although global launch details remain unclear, the expected price in India is around 29,990 Indian rupees, making it an attractive option in the upper mid-range segment. With its unique combination of power, display, camera, and ruggedness, the Fujitsu Aero's Alpha F-51F could mark a strong return for the brand in select markets.